Welcome back. So in this entire chapter, I'm going to talk about where you can earn money from your existing skills you have just learned in this course. And that's really gonna be a very amazing, okay? So now you know how to create professional logos, professional icons, responsive web design, how to create business cards, you know how to represent your artwork. You learn about design showcase, and you know that where to look for inspirations of your project. So now it's time to earn money. Okay, so in this chapter I talk about a few websites where you can earn money. Okay, so the first one I really like to show you, that is 99designs.com, and believe me, this is the most popular design website out there on internet, and that's really amazing. And you know what, a long time ago when I first found this website, I really got a craze about it because I just designed a whole lot of things in 99designs.com. I spend almost my 14 to 16 hour daily, almost for 6 months. Okay, so that's really very amazing site. Now its GUI has been changed a lot. Okay, so I know since this website is not using Ajax, now it's really very awesome, and now it looks so pretty. Okay, so this is the first website I'm going to introduce you, and this is really very popular. And you can see here, you can see if I just hover over this, there's a 1,62,000 visitors per day, and even you can see the rank, that is 2551 is ranked, and this is really very nice designs website out there. Okay, so first of all, but obvious, you need an account to submit your design and to participate in any design contest. But before that, you can see there's a browse category. Well, you can just click this and you can see now you know that's how to design logo, website or web app design, business card design, you know. And even if you go for others, there's a whole lot of designs options. You can see there's a clothing, art illusions, packaging and label, book and magazines. So now you know four, that is logo, web, business card, and even icon out there. Okay, so if you go for others and checked out, there's a whole lot of things you can design. Okay, so first of all, what do, go ahead and sign up for your account. Okay, so I have already account. Actually, I created a new account in this 99design just for this course. Okay, so go ahead and create an account on 99designs.com, and I just click login. Okay, because I already have account in 99design.com. Okay, and just login. Okay, so now here you can see I'm in my contest. Okay, and actually these all contests actually I viewed or watching or entered. Okay, so here you can see I'm entered in this contest. Okay, actually I entered to just show you how you can design and how to participate. Okay, so I'll talk about it later, but before, let me tell you that where you can find your contest. Okay, so you can see there's a contest. Well, go ahead, click on there. Okay, and my contest, either you go for my contest, the contest you're watching or maybe entered. You can see the watching and enter. So if you click my contacts, then your contest, you watching or entered, you're going to take there here. Okay, see my contest. So now go to browse contest. Okay, because you are new, so you have to browse contest. Okay, so now here I like to tell you something very important. Please watch it carefully. Okay, so here you can see these are all contests, and if you want, then you can find out by category. You can see, so logo identity, web design, business advertising, anything. Okay, so let's take a logo design. Okay, click here. Okay, and now in logo design, you can see create a logo for a healthcare organizations, and you can see this got a 621 entry, 3-day and 7-hour left, and the price is $1050 bucks. Okay, so here you can see there's a 3-day left. Well, this is really important. You only participate on only those contests they have at least 1 day remaining. Okay, because if there's a 1 day remaining, they still have 24 hours to sort out your product, your logo designs. So if somebody already submitted their logo, then the customer is actually reviewed and they have already logo design in mind. Okay, so at least 1 day minimum. Okay, so you can see 621 entries, and here you can see there's some logo design which is submitted out there. So let's enter on that. Okay, so go ahead and click here. Okay, open in link tab, and now I go to there. Okay, and here you can see non-disclosure agreement. Well, sometime you need to sign it, that non-disclosure agreement. It means that you are not going to disclose this logo content or any unique idea. Okay, So now I agree. When you click I agree, it will going to take you inside of that contest. Okay, and now you have participated. Okay, so here you can see there's a create a logo for healthcare organizations, and here you can see there's a $1050. Okay, so prize, and you can see there's a 111 people is watching this contest is private. Okay, and this is posted by this man, and you can see this contest started 17 hours ago, last feedback 24 minutes ago. And you know what's that mean? That if contest holder watching your design regularly, I mean, see, you can see this 24 minutes ago, that's last feedback, and that's really very nice because he's interested in that contest. Okay, sometimes contest holder hold a contest and they'll give feedback like 1 or 2 days later, and probably they are not interested because 99design.com provide a money back guarantee. They can request for a refund. Okay, so you can see this is interested, so this is really very nice. Okay, so you can see there's a 4% of design has feedback. That's really nice. Okay, so now you can see there's a brief, there's a design submitted, and there's a message. Well, let me explain you one by one. Okay, so now I go to brief. Okay, and now you can see I'm in brief, and here you will get brief of your logo design contest. Let me show you. You can see the translate brief. Well, this is really very nice. So if you are in another country, maybe you don't know English, then you can translate in your language. That's really very nice. Okay, so I think currently it's not showing, but you can translate in your language. Okay, so you can see language setting, can make settings. Okay, so content title is, you can see create a logo for healthcare organizations. Subtitle, you can see there's information about this stuff. So you can see we conduct clinical trials for all the major pharmaceutical companies. Our target audience is the general public. So now you know that you are going to design a logo that is the healthcare organizations, and their customer will be general public. Now you know. So now background information, you can see name to incorporate in logo, that is Sparkborg Medical Research. Okay, so this is what content is going to be in logo. Okay, so this content you have to put in logo. So you can say description is we conduct clinical trials for all major pharmaceutical companies. Our target audience is general public, as the same as this one. Okay, and this is medical and pharmaceutical. Well, visual style, you can see this is really very important. You can see this is how they want. Okay, so you can see this one, this is actually kind of a symbols, you can say, I mean mix match type. Okay, and this is what their preferred logo types. And here's the most important thing, value to communicate. Okay, this is really very important. You see, actually they don't need much feminine and masculine. Okay, actually they need a mature kind of logo. Luxury, it simply means not economical, it's luxury. And the logo should be modern, not a classics, and it should be serious, not playful. I mean, you know, it's joyful. They don't need like playful. Okay, they need a serious kind of stuff on that logo. Quit, I mean that's not loud. I mean bold effect, they don't need that. They need a simple, not complex. And the last one, they don't need but obvious logo or subtle logo. Okay, so they need a center on that in medium. Okay, so color preference is blue. Well, nice. So now you can see sample logo is, this is the sample logo they want. Okay, and now notes will be sync. See, would like to incorporate our name is this one in their logo. Okay, into a modern looking logo is also compact like Dell or Intel logo. Well, they have other likes like a Dell or Intel, so you can go ahead and find out about that Dell and logo in Google image. You can find it. And require design files in EPS format, in PDF format, and screen quality is JPEG or PNG. That's really nice. And you can see the note is text in logo should be converted to outline. So now you know how to create outline. Go to type, create outline, and you'll do that. Okay, so now you know this one. And you can see the 4 license reason it's better to provide your client with information on how to inquire the font rather than the providing actual files. Well, I get it. Okay, so now you know that how you can see the brief. Okay, so now you got the brief, you are going to design a logo. That's really awesome. Now what you can do, go to designs. Okay, and now take a look at what designer made. Okay, so you can see they submitted this kind of logo. You can see, well, they didn't get review till now, so don't worry because they have just submitted right now. Okay, so you can see how it's look. Well, you know what, if there's already submitted logo, then you have in benefit. Let me show you how. So you can just go ahead and you click here and you can see highest rated first. So now if you click on this one, then you will going to understand that actually which type of logo customer really likes. You can see this type of logo actually customer likes, and this one, that's really nice. This one too, this one, they like this one. Wow, you can see 3 star, 3 star, 3 star. That's really nice. Whoa. So actually as you can see this one they don't like. So now you know that you can create these kind of logos. Okay, so you can actually have an idea that you can see the shapes, they need a type lookup, and this is also there's a full name. So they need actually this kind of logo. Now you know that. Okay, so here's the most important thing that, well, once if you found that 5-star logo, they got a 5-star, it simply means they got their logo, they have their winners. Okay, so the best thing that you don't participate on because they already got their winner. Okay, so if you got 5-star, then don't participate on it. Okay, so you can see there's a 3-star, then you have still chance to win it, and you can. Okay, so you can see this, you have 3 days 7 hours left to submit your design concept. So you can just click one, or you can click here and you can submit your design here. Okay, so now if you have any question that you ask to your designer, go ahead, click on message, and you can just ask here. Okay, so if you ask any question here, then it will go reply to you. So you can see the contest holder have their message. You can see, thanks everyone for all the effort. I'm retiring for the night, but look forward to seeing lots of new ideas when I log back in 8 hours. Looking for something that does not look like a generic logo. I know it is taught because of the word that has to be incorporated in the design. Okay, so always keep eye on this message. Okay, so sometimes they give an idea, they want something new. Okay, so they will post here, so just keep on eye in that message. Okay, so now you're familiar with this panel. Great, so now let's close it and get back here. Okay, so now if you think that no, this is really nice, so actually you liked it and you maybe participate on that. If you think, then go ahead and click watch, and we're going to watch. Okay, so click this one and you are going to be watch. Okay, so now you can sort your contest by its price. You can see highest price, so if you click this one, okay, and you can see this is the highest price. Now it's back to lowest price, and there's a $135, 125 entry, 1 day 17 hours left. But here's the most important thing. You can see there's a dollar mark. It simply means this is a guaranteed contest. Okay, so I mean contest holder is not going to get refund. Okay, it is 100% going to announce a winner and give it a prize. Okay, so this is a guaranteed contest. Definitely nice. Okay, so that's why there's a whole lot of participation in just this much dollars. Okay, so you can see this is really very nice. So you can go ahead and take a look, and even you can see sort by date. So you can see you can even sort by date, and here you can see the time left, and even you can see the entries. Okay, so who got less entries, who got a lot of entries. So if you want to participate in any contest who got a very few entries, then you maybe definitely will be the winner if you design very nice. Okay, okay, so this is really nice. Even you can see there's a filter on. So if you want to filter your category, even your all subcategories, even search for anything, and even can filter on like industries or any language if you wish. Okay, and days left, like 1 day left or 1 to 2 day left, and even prices like between $500 to $1,000. Okay, and even there's a blind contest and a visible contest. It simply means if you participate in blind contest, it's not going to be their submission is visible. Okay, that is invisible. And if you participate that do not have blind contest, it simply means you can view what their other designer has submitted to that contest. Okay, and guaranteed price. So if you want to submit your design or participate in the contest in guaranteed price, then we'll go ahead, choose guaranteed, and you can only get those contests who are guaranteed to give their prize to their winners, and that's really cool. Okay, and there's a platinum, so it's require a lot of skills, so you have to just sign up for the platinums, and you can just go ahead and check it out, you'll find it. Okay, so this is little about 99 designs you must need to know while you're going to design or participate in a contest on 99designs.com. Okay, so in the next movie I'm going to show you how to design a product, how to submit it. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you in the next movie.